Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to the gated community of South Sea Park, White House, Westmoreland. Constructed on approximately 16,000 square feet of land sloping towards the sea, is this two-story residential building. It is disposed of a floor area of approximately 4,723 square feet. The layout of the building is as follows. The ground floor consists of a bedroom with ensuite bathroom and closed closet, front porch, an entry foyer, living room, powder room, linen closet, pantry, laundry room, double car garage with electric shutters, back porch, kitchens with tiled countertops, hardwood cupboards, cabinets, plus a center island, dining area and storage area. The upper floor consists of landing area, two bedrooms, ensuite bathroom, closed closet, a study, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and a standing shower, jacuzzi, other sanitary conveniences and walk-in closet. The bedrooms have walled mounted AC units and provide views of the Caribbean Sea. The property features a standby generator, a solar water heater, two plastic water tank, and electric pump. Also, there are over 40 glass windows in the house, tinted for privacy and molded in aluminum frames to provide hurricane resistance. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 680,000 or Jamaican $107.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.